Dear students, good morning. Our next topic is cytoplasm. Beta, what is cytoplasm? The part of the cell which is outside the nucleus but inside the nuclear membrane, inside the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. Here I have drawn plant cell. Now this part is called the cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. In my last video, I told you about the structure of nucleus, which is the control center of the cell and control all the activities of the cell. The jelly-like substance which is present inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm, and the jelly-like substance which is present outside the nucleus is called cytoplasm. Beta, in cytoplasm, various organelles are there. I will draw the diagram of plant cell and animal cell separately. Then you will be able to understand the difference between the two. Here I am just explaining you the organelles. At the end I will draw the diagram. These are various organelles present in the cytoplasm, and here are some ribosomes. Some organelles which are in your syllabus are endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi bodies, number 3 lysosomes, then comes mitochondria, plastid, and after that vacuole. But I will explain one by one. Today I am going to explain about endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies. I will take these two organelles today. Now, first endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets present near the nucleus, means outside the nucleus. It provides the framework to support the cell. Means हमारी बॉडी में जिस तरीके से स्केलेटन का फ्रेमवर्क होता है, in the same way ER also provide the skeletal framework to the cell. बेटा, इसका skeletal framework जो पूरा सेल है, इसका एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से होता है. That is why आपका सेल जो है ना स्ट्रेच रहता है. आप सोच के देखो, अगर आपके अंदर हड्डियां नहीं होगी, आपके अंदर बोन्स नहीं होगी, तो आप कैसे बैठे होगे? आप नीचे पड़े हुए होगे. तो उसी तरीके से ये skeletal framework प्रोवाइड करता है to the cell. Now these are of two types, SCR and RER. SCR means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the difference between the two? Here these are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and this one is rough. Why it is called rough? Because of the presence of ribosomes on its surface. These dots represent the ribosomes. Beta, these are ribosomes. So this ER is called RER. It is rough due to presence of ribosomes. And this one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum because ribosomes are not present on its surface. Now, what is the role of ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum? Ribosomes help in the synthesis of proteins or manufacture of proteins which are required for the cell. बेटा, ये ribosomes जो है प्रोटीन्स बनाने का काम करते हैं and they are transported through ER. ER के थ्रू ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाता है सेल में. And the function of SER is the synthesis of lipids. मीन्स ये करता है लिपिड्स बनाने का काम. So what is the difference between SCR and RER? This is smooth and this one is rough. Number 2, it help in the synthesis of lipids and it help in the synthesis of proteins. The ribosomes present on its surface, they help in the synthesis of proteins. So this is all about the difference between SCR and RER. Now some lipids and proteins help in the manufacture of cell membrane. कुछ प्रोटीन्स और लिपिड्स जो है सेल मेम्ब्रेन बनाने का काम करती हैं. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Is it clear? Membrane. What is membrane biogenesis? Some proteins and lipids help in the formation of cell membrane. This process is called membrane biogenesis. Now, what is the function of ER in the cell? It helps in the transport of material. It helps in the transport of material within the cell where the material is required. Means firstly manufacture of lipids and proteins. When these are manufactured, then it acts as a transport channel. Transport channel means transport of proteins and lipids in the cell. But in liver cells of vertebrates, कुछ वर्टिब्रेट्स होते हैं जिसके पास वर्टिब्रल कॉलम होता है बेटा, एसिया प्लेज क्रूशियल रोल. उसका एक खास रोल होता है और वो क्या रोल है? इन डिटॉक्सिफाइंग पॉइजन्स एंड ड्रग्स. लीवर सेल्स के अंदर वर्टिब्रेट्स के एससीआर का एक स्पेशल रोल है एंड दैट रोल इज डिटॉक्सिफाइंग पॉइजन्स एंड ड्रग्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बेटा. दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी important. Most of the time it comes in 1 mark question and in board exams also, or in any other exam which you used to give, you may get this type of question. So very important line. Yes beta. Next is Golgi apparatus. Beta, in your diagram, here is Golgi apparatus. This one is Golgi apparatus. Membrane bound vesicles arranged parallel to each other. ये देखो, these are arranged parallel to each other in stacks called cisternae. इसको cisternae बोलते हैं बेटे. This is known as Golgi apparatus. The material synthesized near ER is packaged and dispatched by Golgi apparatus inside and outside the cell. Means जो भी आपका वो मटेरियल सिंथेसाइज हुआ है कहाँ, नियर ER, जो भी उधर बना है इनसाइड या आउटसाइड द सेल, जो भी ले जाने का काम है, दैट इज डन बाय Golgi apparatus. Then comes it help in storage, modification and packaging of the products of the vesicles. Means इसके जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसको स्टोर करने का भी काम करता है ये, मॉडिफिकेशन एंड पैकेजिंग का काम. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. देन इट कन्वर्ट सिंपल शुगर इनटू कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सिंपल शुगर को कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर में चेंज करता है. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज इट हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ lysosomes. This is all about Golgi apparatus. So today we have done 2 organelles. Number 1 endoplasmic reticulum and number 2 Golgi apparatus.